So you are a normal person with good salary and you pay around 30 to 40% income tax to the government. And you probably think that the rich people and the CEOs of big companies pay a lot of money as income tax, but that's not true. The truth is, billionaires don't pay taxes. And let me explain you how.
You ever heard of top-level CEOs paying themselves just $1 a year? This includes people like Mark Zuckerberg from Facebook, Sergey Brin and Larry Page from Google, Larry Ellison from Oracle, and Elon Musk from Tesla and SpaceX. Heck, even politicians are doing it, like President Trump or former Mayor Michael Bloomberg. Of course, we all know that though their salary is just $1, this is not their compensation.
So the billionaire CEOs like Mark Zuckerberg and Larry Page from Google don't pay income tax legally. Take Mark Zuckerberg as an example. So Mark gave himself $1 per month as salary. But wait a minute, he owns Instagram, WhatsApp, and he is the CEO of Facebook, and Mark Zuckerberg is the one of the richest person in the world. Mark Zuckerberg don't take high salary because if he take, then he will have to pay income tax like rest of us. So instead of taking salary, Mark always takes shares and avoid taking cash from anyone. So he just takes shares of his own company or some other companies. He takes shares, so he don't have to pay income tax on buying shares. And if Mark Zuckerberg decide to sell those shares, then he will have to pay capital gain tax, which is less compared to the income tax. Depends on your salary, income tax rate is 30 to 40%. But capital gain tax rate is around 15%. This means Mark Zuckerberg is going to save 50% of his money by paying less tax. But how Mark Zuckerberg would get money for his daily expenses, house, cars and so on?
And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
So now Mark Zuckerberg has shares, and as the value of shares increases, he will take loans from the banks against mortgaging the shares. If the value of shares is increasing, then he will get more loans. And with that money from loans, Mark Zuckerberg would manage his expensive lifestyle. And he can sell some shares if necessary. That's how rich and powerful people don't pay income tax legally. By the way, if you are looking for some amazing t-shirts and watches, then check out my shop link in the description. And if you like this video, then you also gonna like this video about how Mr. Beast broke YouTube. Stay curious and I will see you there.